Mike's been talking about this place, and check this out. This is we got a Philly cheesesteak with all the stuff on it and home cut fries. And you can hear the bikes because everybody loves the road, so motorcycles are loving this road that's out here. Hey, it's Dael, your V-Twin Foodie, and I am here in Catawba, North Carolina, at a place called Waterside Marina Bar and Grill. And I am here with Mr. Mike Willette. Mike, let's see where you at here, brother. Can you see yourself there?
Yeah, there I am.
All right.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So we are here, and Mike's been telling me about this place. We rode the motorcycles down here, and we're going down to Charlotte. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
And so we're going down to Charlotte.
No, we're here.
We're here.
Yeah, the lake house is right here.
So you got a lake house here we're going to be staying at. But tonight, I'm going to be doing my first boat race. It's a sailboat, correct?
Correct.
Sailboat race. And I'm excited. So, yeah, so we've been, like I said, taking the adventure bikes out and stuff. Now I'm getting to actually do some adventure and getting to do a sailboat race. So I am excited about that. But while we're here at Waterside, Mike's been talking about this place, and check this out. This is we got a Philly cheesesteak with all the stuff on it and home cut fries. And you can hear the bikes because everybody loves the road, so motorcycles are loving this road that's out here. We got the ranch dressing together with these fries, so we're going to try this. Got a bread soft, got some cheese, the Philly steak there, the onions and the peppers. Let's try this out. Definitely has that Philly taste to it, where nothing's overpowering, but you're getting the flavor from the meat, the peppers, the onions, and that cheese. And that roll, it's soft, got a nice flavor to it. And these homemade chips, got the right amount of flavor to them. And Mike's got his French sub dip right here. Go ahead and tell us what that's like there, brother.
Okay, well, looks like pretty good amount of meat and some provolone melted on there. And I'll dip it in their au jus. Au jus. They didn't know that you must have the juice. The caramelized onions. Yeah, very good. The bread is soft. Good flavor. Yeah, highly recommended if you're in the French dip kind of mood.
And those onion rings, man.
Oh yeah, the onion rings were good and crispy. I did sneak some while he was doing other things, but yeah, I've been dipping it in the au jus. Yeah, nice crunch. Yeah. I'm pretty sure they're house made here, so.
Okay. You also have a nice view from where we're sitting. We're sitting on the upper level out here, and let's see. Let's go this way. And you see the
Marina's all brand new. They have a gas dock here. Kelly and I have kayaked up here, and had a beer or this quick snack or something, and kayak back to our house. So the location for us is great.
And now your lake house is just right down the road.
Yeah.
So we're within actually probably see it if it wasn't some trees in the way down here. So yeah. So yeah. Once again, Waterside Marina here in Catawba, North Carolina. I gotta say, Mike's digging in on that French dip sub or that French dip he's got there. It does look good. The Philly cheesesteak is awesome. I like the flavors, got great flavor to it. The house fries, the onions. Yeah, he's dipping his onions into the au jus as well. So yeah, so a big shout out to Mr. Mike over here for recommending this place out here, and then bringing me on the ride with the motorcycle down here. And yeah, so I'm all excited about getting to do a little bit of boat racing tonight. So
Yeah.
with the
Plus a
sailboat,
pontoon boat ride to the yacht
so
club.
boat, yeah, that's going to be about an hour long. So that's going to be some fun. So yeah, so adventure all day long. You can't beat it. So, all right. So for myself, for Mike, remember, give a man a fish, you'll feed him for a day. Give a man a motorcycle, he'll eat fish 200 miles away. We're out of here. Love, peace, and chicken grease.